Hi, I'm Lizzie. I'm a chiropractor here at Chiropractic. Now, if you're suffering from lower back pain from multiple different issues and things like that, a lot of it is common with tension in the lower back, tension in the hips, and a lot of the time it can just be a bit of weakness as well. So here are some stretches and exercises that we might just help you along the way a little bit. So with the lower back pain, a common thing that we often see is that the hip flexors are very, very tight, which puts a lot of pressure on that lower back. So we want to stretch them out. Now, common and easy one that we've seen many times is the classic quad stretch. As you bring it back, in nice in line, knees in line, leg in line, which is good. From the side, just nice and simple. With this lower back being a bit of a problem, sometimes twisting to pick up the leg can be quite difficult. So we have an alternative for you, which just involves a trusty towel. So it's a bit of a lasso moment. So instead of twisting to pick anything up, you're going to bring that leg up in front of you. You're going to lasso around your ankle, hold it to the side, bring that leg back, and then you can get into that stretch. So it avoids that twist. So you bring it up, lasso, bring it down and stretch, making sure that your knees are in line. So with lower back pain, a lot of the muscles around that area, including not just your lower back, but also these glute muscles, which are your bottom muscles, the ones that you sit on, they can become quite tense and quite tight. And what they are essentially doing is protecting that area. So what we want to do is actually stretch them out, so therefore we can release them, relax them, and keep your body moving a bit better. So one of the ways that we do that is by doing something called glute stretch. So what you do is you lay on your back, you bring your knee up towards your chest and hold it for about 10 to 15 seconds, then release it back down, go with the other leg, again, nice and close to that chest, 10 to 15 seconds, and then to do an even bigger one and also engage that lower back of your muscles, you're going to bring both knees up together, hold them nice and tight to that chest, or as far they go, as long as you can feel that stretch all the way down into that glute, then you're absolutely fine. And just hold it again, 10 to 15 seconds, and rest. If you are to do this stretch, you want to do it at least once a day, but 3 times a day would be absolutely fantastic. Each stretch, do it a couple of times on each side. So 10 to 15 seconds, switch to the other side, switch back around 3 times through. And each time just bring it a little bit tighter, a little bit further, and really feel that stretch. So now we want to activate these muscles a little bit. Now the glute maximus is the biggest muscle in the body, so it has a lot of power, and unfortunately we're very good at neglecting that power. So this is an exercise that's helps there to stimulate the glutes, but it's also there to help activate it and work with other muscles around that area, as well as lowering the pressure of that lower back. So what you're going to do is you're going to lay on your back nice and comfortably, bend your knees at about a 45-degree angle, so they're about shoulder width apart. Then you squeeze your glutes together, tuck your tummy in as if someone's about to punch you in the tummy. Then you're going to lift your hips up so they're in line with those knees, so you have a lovely straight angle from your knees down towards your hips. And then come back down, then go up and back down. And it's all about making sure that you are really activating those muscles as best you can. But I would do recommended reps of 5 to 8, and then do that 3 times through, and at least once a day. All these exercises, they're designed to help with that mobilization, get things loosening off, as well as just that starting to get those muscles activating. Now, if any of these exercises cause you pain or discomfort, then stop. But the big important thing is just gentle exercises, give them a go. Hopefully they help loosen things off and get you moving again.